Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the bubble sort. So here sorting is the technique to arrange our elements in the ascending or descending order format, right? So here we have the bubble sort. This is the simplest way to perform our sorting algorithms. So first here it passes the largest element is the bubble format in the correct position. So first it finds the adjacent elements. First here it will take the first two adjacent elements. If the first element is greater than the second element, then these positions are exchanged. Otherwise here the positions will be in the same position. And next here it can be moved to the next comparison that can be done between the second element to the third element. So up to completion of the list of elements, it can be performed our same thing, whatever we perform in the performance. So let's see here we have one example to find the bubble sort. So first I am taking the example and in the list I am choosing the elements like 8, 22, 9 and the 7. So here we have these elements. First here we are passing the iteration 1. In the iteration 1, I am checking first element to the second element. Now these two are the adjacent elements, 8 and the 22. Now we are comparing this 8 and the 22. You can see 8 is less than 22 here. 8 is less than 22. Comparing to the 22, 8 is the smaller. Right? So 8 is the smaller means here there is no problem here. We can there is no changes into this. If it is larger only, here 8 instead of 8 here we have the 22 and here we have the 8 means here we need to be change that one. We need to be swap. But here we have 8 is the smaller and 22 is the larger. So we can kept like this only. And next here we are moving to the second element is finding with the 9 element. 8, 22 and the 9 in 7. Second element is comparing with the third element now. Just check here. In this here 22 is the greater than value of 9. 22 is the greater than value of 9. So here this is the larger. We had up before only. So now here you have to be swap these positions. 9 will becomes to 22 position and 22 will becomes to here 9 position. So then here you can swap these two. Do the swapping for this. 8, 9, 22 and the 7. Okay. And after that, again you have to be check with the 22 with the 7 means third element to the fourth element. We are checking this one with third element to the fourth element. Now we have the changing positions, right? Yes. Again here we are checking third element to the fourth element. Yes, here also 22 is the greater than value of 7. It is a larger value only. Then we need to be move with then we need to be swap these two values. Right? 8, 9 and the 7 and the 22 will get. And 22 will get in these positions. Right? So now here the 22 will be bubbled. The 22 is arranged in the correct position, right? The largest element is arranged in the correct position means you need to be bubble this one. So you need to be bubble. So once you can see the largest element is bubbled up to its correct position. Yes, the 22 value is in now correct position, then here you need to be bubble that one. Now you can see. So you need to be bubbled, right? So for that case, whatever you have the value, for that here you need to be do the bubbling process. So here we have the values. This is the value now. So you can bubble with the like small like this. So this is marked, this is completed. So after the values, suppose here we are checking these values here, without this here we can perform. So already this is a sorted. Again we will not come to this position. Okay, so after that here we need to be move with the iteration 2. We need to be move with the iteration 2. In this pass here, whatever we have elements, in the first position we have the 8 and the 9, 7, already 22 is done, sorted, right? So now here in the second iteration, we need to be start again the process, the first element with the second element, right? Yes, this is also same. So your 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. There is no problem here. The positions will be the same. And next here, 8, 9 and the 7, 22. 9 is checking with the 7. Yes, here. Comparing to the 7 here, 9 is the greater value. 9 is the greater value, right? Comparing to the 9 here, so comparing to the 7 here, 9 is the greater value. Then here you can swap these two numbers. You can swap these two numbers. 8, 7 and the 9. Okay. So after that here, 9 will be bubbled here. So after the 22, before we have the 9 value only, comparing to the all the elements. Then here 9 will be bubbled in the next position. 9 will be bubbled in the next positions. So just do the bubbling positions. So in the all the cases you need to be bubble these, right? And next in the iteration 3 we need to be pass the same values in this. Okay, at present in the iteration 3 we have 8, 7 and the 9 and the 22. Now here we need to be check with the first element to the second element. So then here you need to be check the first element to the second element. Comparing to the 7 here, 8 is the larger. Then you can perform the swapping position to this. Okay, right? Here 7 will becomes to here 8 and the 9, 22. And now here 8 will be bubbled. Now 8 will be bubbled here. So after that here, automatically whatever we have, whatever we left the value, that is also bubbled here. So that number is the 7. So that is also bubbled here. So like this here we need to be performed. We need to be check with the adjacent elements, and after that we need to be arrange those elements in the form of a sorted list. So this is the bubble sort. Thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.